Hello there and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix NBA 2K24 crashing on PC Steam. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you have purchased NBA 2K24 legally from Steam. Also, be aware that the installation process is perfectly executed on your system. You must need to install all the files of NBA 2K24 perfectly on your system and make sure there is no corrupted file in your NBA 2K24 game file, and if you found one, then you just need to delete your NBA and again you need to reinstall it from Steam to your system. Make sure that the installation process is perfectly executed on your system. Then the most important thing is your system must be meet the requirements of the game. The game has some specific requirement for systems that it should need minimum 8 GB of RAM, or they have mentioned a CPU minimum CPU requirement and storage requirement on their page or their website. Your system must meet the requirements of the games to run the game smoothly and perfectly without any type of crashing. So, if your system meets the requirement and you have installed the game perfectly on your system and there is no corrupted file, still you are facing the problem, your game is crashing, then you can follow these steps. You need to click on library. As you can see, I don't have NBA 2K24 game available on my Steam account. For this video, suppose this is NBA 2K24. Let's suppose this game Yarmek is the NBA 2K24. So you just need to right click on your NBA 2K24 game and go to properties. Then you just need to go to your general section, and from here you can disable the Steam overlay while in game. Now you just need to go install files from here and verify the game's file are installed correctly. Now click on verify integrity of game files and the checking process will start it, and it will take a short time, and if there is any problem with any type of file, then you can fix this from here easily. Now you need to go to update and make sure that the option for the game is always keep this game updated. Make sure you're using the most updated version of your game, that is NBA 2K24. Now check if your Windows operating system is up to date. If there's any update available, then quickly update your Windows. Now click on Windows button at the bottom and search for check for updates, and here in the settings you will find Windows update, and here you can check for updates, and as you can see I'm now up to date and my Windows is now properly updated. Make sure your Windows system is perfectly updated, and if there is any update available, then update instant and restart your PC. Now, as we mentioned earlier in this video, we are working with this game as NBA 2K24. Suppose this is NBA 2K24 game and you can reinstall it to your C drive. You can try to transfer the file to C drive on your system. If you install it on your D drive or E drive, you can just simply the game file transfer the game file to your C drive. Then you can try to play the game, and you can check out that if it's crashing or not. Now let's check if Windows Defender Firewall preventing our game to launch properly in our system. Now for this you just need to search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now from here you can turn off your Windows Defender and you can try the game, and also you can click on allow an app option. Here you just need to give the permission to your NBA 2K24. You just need to go to the N section and you need to find NBA 2K24, and you just need to click on these two boxes to check this box. One is private and another is public. That means you are allowing the NBA 2K24 game to communicate through your Windows Defender firewall. And if you can find this, you can just click on add another app. Now click on browser, and from here in your file manager you just need to find out the file and simply click on add, and you can check this two box that you are allowing these apps to communicate through Windows Defender firewall in private and in public. After giving the permission, you can open your NBA 2K24 and you can play it and check if the problem is solved or not. If you're still facing the problem, then you should follow the next step. Open your Steam app and go click on this Steam icon at the top left corner and go to settings. And in settings section at the left side you will find some options. Click on download and you can clear the download cache on your Steam account and simply click on clear cache. Now go to in-game settings and here you will find enable the Steam overlay. While in-game you can simply toggle this off and you can disable these options, and it will help you to prevent the crashing of the game. And also you can turn off some advanced option available in Steam to preventing crashes on the game. After completing this step, you need to check out that if your system drivers is updated or not. Make sure that your graphics and other drivers is updated on your system, and if there is not updated, make sure you update it as soon as possible. Now click on your Windows icon and search for device manager. Click on it, and from here click on display adapters, drop down it, and you will find your graphics driver, and right click on it, and here you can click on update drivers, and you can search automatically for drivers. You can search for update. If there's any update available, simply click on update, and here is, as you can see, I have already updated version of my graphics driver installed in my system. Now you can also check for other drivers and also the graphics driver which are available for update by this app. You just need to search for driver easy. Now here the first one, you just need to download this application in your system. You can click this download now button, and also you can scroll a little down, and here you'll see the light version. This is completely free. You can download this from here too, and there is also two paid version available of this application, but I prefer that you need to stick with the free version, and it's much effective, and it will give you a complete overview about the updates of your driver in a single Windows, and you can update your drivers easily on your system. Now after download the setup file on your system, simply click on it and give the permission for the installation, and here you need to select the language and click on install and click on open driver easy, and it will redirect you to its websites. Just ignore it, and you can see Windows have open up, and you can just click on scan now, and it will scan your device for available updates of your drivers. And now you can see I have scanned my system for available updates, and as you can see I have some updates I have some drivers to update, and you can simply click on activate and update button to update the driver and activate the driver at once. And by this you can just simply keep update your drivers, and you can prevent the crashing of games and also the NBA 2K24 crashing issue. Hope these steps will help you to get rid of this annoying issue, and you can fix the NBA 2K24 crashing on PC Steam. If you like this video, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.